I'm Katharine Innes. I've been a student here for about 10 years. I think it's actually allowed me to approach acting with a way that doesn't lead to overthinking, which I'm prone to doing. It takes all of your raw ingredients and allows you to channel them in to a character without having to pile on another completely make-believe world that, quite frankly, no one's got time or energy to think about while you're up there with the lights on and the rolling and everything else happening at the same time. So using what you've already got, but in a way that means that you're fighting your character. Trusting your gut and trusting that because your gut's going to feel different every minute of every day, that's a great thing to embrace, to keep you in the moment and to keep you truthful, and that there's no wrong, because the unexpected is what makes things so right. Thinking that there was something I had to get, thinking I had to get it, had to know what the feeling was and that there was a right and wrong. Whereas this kind of, even though you try and be like, yeah, Pete, I get it, and you don't, but that's okay, because you just pretend and go along with it and convince yourself that your instincts, your gut is the thing that makes you get it. Knowing that no matter how wonderful a director or not that you work with, or how wonderful an fellow actor that you work with, only you know what's going to make you tick and is going to work for you, and that you don't have to tell anyone else that, but that you feed that into whatever piece that you're working on. That don't make it anyone else's business. Whatever the director and other actors are giving you, great, go with it. But on top of that, you must bring your own juice. There's a freedom to it that I think some other techniques, as wonderful and as necessary as they are, particularly if you are studying something like Method, which it can be so open, having the restriction in some other areas is helpful. But I think in general, having it so open to interpretation and possibilities means that you're not as hampered as perhaps some other techniques that rely on a very specific sequence or physicality. This kind of opens that up a bit. Look, it's Vegemite, you're gonna love it or hate it, fine. Try it, you've got nothing to lose. Try it with an open mind, and try it a couple of times, even if it doesn't gel at first. Give it a little bit of time, because guaranteed you're not gonna have a clue what's going on for, how long did I say I've been here? 10 years. No, for a few weeks. Still, I think I have no idea what's going on, but something's working, and every week something else works. So just be open. Just give it a go. Come on the journey, even if you don't know where that journey's going, especially if you don't know where that journey's going, and enjoy the uncertainty and the not knowing, because that's where you find the best things, always.